Okay, this is a function. This is a function called VLOOKUP. Generally, the companies use it to make, and even a business organizations use it to use the VLOOKUP, using the VLOOKUP in order to get the data of particular instance of particular product, and its data is to find out whether to find out the particular product details or the information. We use this VLOOKUP. What is this VLOOKUP? Is that V means vertical lookup, and H lookup is horizontal lookup. V means vertical lookup, H means horizontal lookup, and we'll see this how to make the VLOOKUP. Then a data has been given here. A sample data has been already inserted by me, has been already taken by me, and from this I'll explain the sample data that it is related to a particular shop. It's an online business at a particular shop where they sell different types of commodities. And in these commodities, there are products called washing machines, refrigerators, and all this data has been given. Their categories has been given. The quantity available with them is also given, and the prices is also been given. Then, if I want to know the stock information, otherwise the price of the particular product, I can use this VLOOKUP. Using this VLOOKUP function, I can easily go for the functions to be done. How I am going to use this is the thing need to be find out. Then see this, I go for here. Why I am typing here is that if I want to get the price of one particular product call, I am giving the name of washing machine here. I am taking the name of washing machine here as a sample. If you want to get the price of the washing machine, then how to get the things? Then is equal. If you want to insert any function, you need to go for the lookup where is equal. Then VLOOKUP, and open the braces, and you can see this some functions as categories has been given over there. First see what is this. When you are writing the VLOOKUP formula, it is asking for 4 columns, 4 things. That lookup value, lookup value is the first one, second one is table array, third one is column index number, and fourth one is range lookup. Then we need to insert these 4 values first. In order to know which cell is there, which column contains the information which is required to you. And then coming to here, I need the lookup value. I need the value of the washing machine. So I'm selecting the washing machine as a column value, and then insert the comma. Then it asking the table array. Table array itself that from which range of table means that I need from this range of tables. I need the value over there. Then again insert the comma. Then it asking for the column index number. Column.
Funny.
Hello, who's this? It is. Then here we have a column called index number. The index number is that 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because I need some price of the product. So I'm going for the 4th column. What I need is I have given some price. I need the price of the particular product. So washing machine, the products column is first column. The category column is second column. The C is third column is quantity available, and the D column is 4th column is the price. So I need a 4th column. I need the output as the price. Output. Then there is a 2 things called appropriate match or exact match. Then we select the exact match. Okay. Then you can also go for FALSE false. Either you can also give the 0 also. 1 and 2 is also same. Close the bracket, and click on enter. Close the bracket, click on enter. See, you will get the price. Whenever you are dealing in large number of commodities, if you want to get the price related to one particular information or one particular price, one particular product, you can use this VLOOKUP. What happens here is that when you have inserted the VLOOKUP function here, it is giving some consolidated value of the washing machine, then price is displayed over. If you even change the spelling here, change the word here, change the word washing machine to refrigerator and press on enter, then the price is changing. Then it's the same cost, the cost is same, that's why it is not changing. Then you can insert the television, see the cost is changing. If you are inserting the sanitizer over here, and the prices will change over here. If you are inserting some kitchen accessories here, then this price will change over here. Even it is very much useful in writing, in making a small sheet which related to the medical shops or the pharmacies or the same normal retail stores, where you display the price as a common VLOOKUP formula, and you can list out the product. You can just enter the product name, then it displays the price of the product. Then you display the price of the product. See this, if I need some cost about the hand washes, I can just enter the hand washes, then I'll get the price directly here. The price will be displayed over there. If you go to the retail store like Reliance or DMart or these things, they just enter the first letter of the alphabets, and they will get the list of things, and from this list of things, you just enter the product name, and automatically the prices will come over there. Then using this VLOOKUP, we can make these things. And we have one more thing, is that I said that there is a list of products. If you want to give the list of products, also we can make list of products by using the data validation. We have seen something about the data validation. We know how to make the products list by using a downward button. How to make the downward list also we know, and we'll see that also in the VLOOKUP, how to make the things. And then I have one more table. I have created one more thing here, as the frequently asked products are there, and for frequently asked products I need to make the billing. Even normal products also we need to make the billing. If you want to make the billing price, and what I have done is I'm taking the price column here. I need the price of the products here. The same I'm taking VLOOKUP. Just if you're typing VL, directly you'll get the formula. Press on the tab button on the keyboard. Automatically it gives the formula, and also the braces will open, and the open braces will come over there. And in this, you can give this VLOOKUP this. I will need the whatever the product value. That's why I'm selecting this cell. In order to get the product value. I will enter the product value, the product name there, and the product value, the price of the product, and the name of the product will display over there directly. Then comma the range of the table. Then the table range is the same. From the about table itself, I need the data. Then what is the column? This one. This is a column about the price. Where is the price available? Is that 1, 2, 3, 4th. In 4th column, the price is available. Then click on 4, and same exact value or false, and appropriate is 1, and exact is 0. Then click on enter. Okay, I got something called NA. It's not an error. Because I have not gave any product name here. If I give some product name here, see this, if I give the product name here, automatically the price will come over there. For the default, I have created a formula. For this cell, I have created a formula using this, as whatever the word being given here, the price of the particular product should be displayed over there. If I change the price, if I change the product to refrigerator, the price will change over there. If I change the price to menswear, see, the product will change over there, and automatically you can go for finding out the product. You know the product. Then how to find the product itself is equals product into 10. Then you'll get 250 as the product, and you can make the billing of yourself. Just here also I've made the same VLOOKUP formula. I have created YouTube VLOOKUP formula and done. And here you can make the product total likely, and you can do the things done. Okay. And we have also one more thing called data validation. VLOOKUP with the data validation. I said downward arrow button. I have created a downward arrow button. Then how we have done this downward arrow button, just we'll see. The same formula I'm applying here, known as VLOOKUP. Why I'm repeating itself is that we may use in different forms. For the purpose I'm using, and see, this is the range I need, comma, and the column index, the table index, the table array is this one, is the table array. And next, the same price is required 4, and the same 0. Then press on enter. The same will getting over here. And for this, if I enter here, if I need some list of products available, if there is a list of products, that list of products should be available. Then go to data, then go to data validation. Click on data validation. Then in this, you can select the list of products. List. You can select the list, and in this list, then go for the source. Then these are the source products. These are the source products. We have seen this earlier in the earlier class also. And click on OK. Then now you can see this. If you are selecting a product called washing machine, the price will change over there. If you are selecting some television, the price will change over there. If you're using some hand washes, the price will change over there. And the menswear, the price will change. Stools, the price will change. And the accessories, also the price will change. Whatever the components you need, you can keep it over there by using the product value. Default, you can create the product also. Default, you can create the product also by dragging the values. Even you can extend the VLOOKUP also, but here the products are needed. See, I'm copying these products. See, automatically you'll get the products. Once you inserted the VLOOKUP function, then easily you will get the products also being done. See, A13 to A18 to D17, the cell range is moving on. From 17. See, the 17th cell is not available. That's why it is not going on. We have also seen that the dollar form, that when you are taking the cell range should be within the dollars. Also referencing symbols, we have seen this. Using that referencing symbols also, we can make the things done. See, a drop down list can be created by validation, and using this validation, you can do this. This is a simple example which related to the business, within the firm, how they can use the VLOOKUP. I'll also give you one more example, where in an organization like a schools or colleges, how to use this VLOOKUP. See, I have also created a table. Regarding the student table. Yesterday in last classes we have done something about the student table. The same student table I have taken here, and in the student table, what I am doing is that I'm just making myself that the data is being given in form of serial number. I can make it as rule number. Rule number, serial name of the student, and the Telugu, Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social, and total and average. If I want to get the performance of related to one student, you can also use the function called the filters is also can be used. Sorting can also be used, but still an advanced feature when large amounts of data is there. If you want to get the multiple student details in one field as a one output, then you can use this VLOOKUP as a one more component. Then what I'm doing is that I'm changing here. Then here I'm inserting the VLOOKUP function here. It is VLOOKUP, and braces open, and this one if I give you the name of the student, then I need to get all the digits. Then comma, then the table array is this one, table array, and what I need here, I need the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th cell, 9th column is total, and comma 0 I'm giving as a false. It is not able to show the data. Then when I type the word called B, the student name is being given over there. Total is being given over there. Once again, we'll go for this. VLOOKUP. Made some mistake. VLOOKUP. The value I've taken here, comma, the table range, comma, the index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, comma, 0, and is equal to VLOOKUP this value, comma, table range, we are getting table range from A1 to J8, comma, 9, comma, false. And if I enter the 1, see this is changing, it is changing. If I enter the 1, if I enter the 5 here, the table total will change. If I enter the 6, the name total number will change. If I enter the 7, I'll get the things. And if I give the same function here also, see, if I give the same function here, and where I need to give this as V11. If I'm asking where to the B, then we'll get whatever the student name is, whatever the student required, and you can make this as a total here, the column total here, and you can make this average, and you can get the things done. You can get the things done with regard to this average activities also. And if you give, if whatever the student, if the rule number is being as a key point, if you are pressing the rule number as 8, it is not going to display because 8th rule number is not available in our data. And if you are giving the 6th rule number, the total is displaying like this. If you are giving the 7th rule number, you are getting 269 in the total. And why I am not getting the total and why I am getting sometimes as a mistake error is that if I take the name of the student, as a one column, then I need to select the name of the student column is equal to we look up the table. First one is what is right. I need the name of the student here. I need the name of the student here by using the number. So I'm giving we look up. In this, the first I required the name of the column, name of the cell range here, and the table is like this. And the name of the student is the second column. It is a second column. So type 2 and press on false and click on enter. Then if you're writing something about A, then you'll get the column. It is. You can make it in a form of this vertical form. Roll number 317 marks. And in this way you can give the multiple lookups, and also you can make the things done. And if I'm asking about something about average, then directly I can go for VLOOKUP. And in this, I take up the rule number as a base value. Then in this, I select again the table area, then comma. Then the index value is that the 10th column value 1, 2, 3, 4,